Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to jack up a Nissan Altima. First, ensure your vehicle is on a firm, level surface. Safety is paramount, so always engage the parking brake and place wheel chocks on the wheels that will remain on the ground. Before you begin, locate the correct jacking points in your owner's manual to prevent damage and ensure stability. For the front of your Altima, you'll typically find a sturdy crossmember located behind the engine. This is your primary jacking point. Carefully position your floor jack directly under the center of this crossmember. Once aligned, slowly and steadily begin to raise the vehicle. Lift it just enough so that the tire you're working on is completely off the ground. Moving to the rear, look for the rear subframe or specific jacking points indicated in your manual, often near the suspension components. Once the vehicle is lifted, immediately place a jack stand under a strong frame point close to where you've lifted it. Then, gently lower the vehicle onto the jack stand. This ensures maximum safety while you work underneath. Before performing any work, always double-check that your Altima is securely resting on the jack stands. When you're finished, carefully reverse the jacking process. Slowly raise the vehicle slightly off the stands, remove the stands, and then gently lower the car back to the ground. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Always remove wheel chocks after the vehicle is fully lowered.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.